You've now selected your stand, designed it, and have set your objectives, but the hard work is just getting started. Now it's your job to maximise your brand presence at the show. High street shops spend millions advertising their latest offers to drive traffic to their stores when people are in shopping mode. Your task now is no different. You've bought a storefront, but now you have to let people know where you are and why they should pop in to say hello. In this episode, we'll examine 3 different marketing channels that you can easily and cost-effectively use to ensure that when people show up to the show, they'll come to seek you out. The first channel we're going to look at is social media. One of the challenges with social media is making your message stand out amongst all the clutter. If you're attending a B2C event, here's what we'd recommend. Take your email lists and upload them to a custom audience in Facebook. This is where you upload a list of emails to Facebook's advertising platform and only target them. This way you are guaranteed of getting your messages out to people you already know. Then take it a step further and create a lookalike audience. Facebook will determine the 1% of people most similar to your lists and target them with ads. It's the most targeted form of social advertising available and delivers higher ROI than any other social targeting methods. Make your messages product-driven, perhaps offering them a free sample or some incentive to visit you at the show. Facebook advertising works much better as a branding channel, so bear this in mind. Use it to plant the seed and build awareness. If you're in B2B, consider LinkedIn sponsored posts. Post on your company page about your new products, offers and the like that you'll be announcing at the show. Then, promote your post to the people on LinkedIn. You can be very specific with targeting: industry type, job titles, specific companies, geography and more. It's not the cheapest form of advertising, but has been shown to be a highly effective form of advertising. For more ideas, check out FaceTime's Guide to Social Marketing on this link. The next channel we're going to look at is email. What most people don't realise is that email is an incredibly strong branding tool. Think about how many emails you get from Amazon. You probably almost never open or click on them. But when you want to buy a book, you go direct to their website. Send out a series of content-focused emails, paying particular attention to your subject lines. People may not open them, but they'll still see your from name and subject line. So avoid messages that say things like, "Looking forward to seeing you at the next widget show next week," as that delivers your prospects and customers no value. Use this to build up value in your brand. Make sure that each email focuses on what you'll be doing at the show and why people should visit you. For more ideas, check out FaceTime's Guide to Email Marketing on this link. Lastly, we'll look at offline channels. There are numerous different options here, some expensive and some cheaper. Some of the options include outdoor advertising, print ads, direct mail and TV. What you do depends on your budget and how best to reach your audience. One simple idea is to send out free drink coupons in the post to your customers and prospects. Then, have a few bottles of bubbly at the ready for when they get turned in. It's a simple tactic and is a relatively cost-effective way to help drive traffic to your stand. But for offline marketing to work as a traffic driver, you'll benefit from knowing as much as possible about the type of people that come to the show. Spending thousands of pounds on expensive advertising channels can often drive a huge amount of footfall, but can also be a black hole of marketing spend.